Okay, my friend, welcome back to my channel. With this quick video, I want to show you a new method that you can use right now. How to make money, how to make $1,000 every single month using free traffic. With this method, guys, we will use WarriorPlus. WarriorPlus is an affiliate program that you can join for free. Everyone can join no matter where you are from. Okay, you can join this program for free and promote other products and make money online. Okay, of course it's up to you. If you choose a good product and use a great traffic, you can make more commission and more money. Okay, like you see here, let's go to get links. Okay, you can see I make from this product 25 sales, from this product over 100 sales, from this product 9 sales, CPA $10,000 a day. I make 4 sales, instant CPA domination 33 sales, and more and more. You have unlimited product here that you can promote and make money online. Okay, so how this work? Okay, I want to show you one of my method that I am using and make sales from this website using free traffic. Okay, so let's go to this product. You can see here get link. Okay, let's click it and take our link. Okay, copy, this is our link, and let's go to traffboost. Okay, this website you can get free traffic. This is a traffic exchange. Okay, you have to watch a website and you will get a point, and this point you can get traffic from this point. Okay, my point right now is over 400, and you can see website. So let's go to add our affiliate link. You can see here add a new website, and all you have to do is put your link here. Okay, and click this button. Let's wait some seconds. You can see here. Okay, and then you have to choose a category. Okay, so let's choose a category. Let's go to business and click here add website. Okay, we have to choose, click something here. Let's say okay, I like this title, I will put it. Okay, add website. That's it, our site is ready. Let's check it. Okay, everything is okay. Now how to get a point? Let's go to here all websites. Okay, you have here a category. Okay, you can choose your category, and then you will get some websites here. you have here next. Okay, there is unlimited product here that you can click and view, and you will get a point. Okay, let's go this product. I will get 30 points. Okay, I have to wait some seconds. Okay, this is a download. Okay, this is the icon. Great, I get 30 points. I will close this and go to, let's say, this product. I will get 40. Okay, okay, this is a Twitter, the icon. Okay, I will click Twitter and I will get 40 points. Let's close, and you can go let's say 80 points. Okay, I am getting points and getting traffic right now to my product, to my affiliate link. This is a free, let's say, tennis ball. Okay, 80 points, fantastic. Okay, I think you get the point. Like you see here, I get over 500 points in some seconds of work. That's all you have to do, getting free traffic and promote your link and get a commission like I do here. Of course, you can choose paid traffic. If you want paid traffic, you can go to Safe Traffic Rotator, and how this work I will show you exactly. Let's take our link one more time. Okay, remember, you have to choose a good product, a very convert product. Let's go to this product. I want to show you exactly what I mean. Okay, why I think this is a good product. I want to show you why. Okay, first you have to check the title of this product. This is very catchy title. Okay, very catchy title, and you can see here a video, and this title, it's more catchy. Okay, people like this title, make money with this today. Of course, I want this product if I see this. That's why I already purchased this product. This product is awesome. You can take it to purchase too, and you can make money from this product too. Okay, it's only $10 like you see here. Okay, so how to get a paid traffic? So we have our link right now. All you have to do, go here and type your name, email, URL, and choose your package and order now. Okay, I will get 100,000 visitors to my website, only $15. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it and subscribe to my channel. Remember, with this website you can get unlimited traffic. Okay, unlimited traffic for free. The point from this video is to make money for free without buying traffic, and yes, you can make a lot of commission from WarriorPlus using this website or using paid traffic. Okay, I hope you get the point from this video. I hope you will take action. Please take action, and have a good day and good luck. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more videos. Thank you again.